Alright, welcome back to Ciara's Cookery. Today we're going to be making some air fried chicken wings. So basically I have already seasoned up the wings, and I'll put below a link to all the seasonings that I use. And then I let that marinate in the fridge probably for about 4 to 5 hours. So this is how it will look after you kind of let it sit in the fridge and let it marinate. Of course, the best way to let meat marinate is overnight. So if you have the time and can remember, marinate it overnight. Next, you're going to get you some spray. I got some avocado oil spray. And you're just going to spray the inside of your air fryer. And this is just going to keep those wings from sticking, because you're definitely going to need to go in and flip these wings in the process of cooking these. So at this point, you're going to take some tongs and you're going to place your wings in here. If you have a average size air fryer, it typically can fit up to about 8 or 9 wings, depending on the shape and the size of the internal part of your air fryer. So just take your time, put them in there. You want to make sure that you do not overlap the wings. You want to make sure all of them are pretty much flat down on that griddle part, so that they can cook evenly. All right, and this might be a little hard trying to put the wings and make them, fit in there on the griddle correctly. So just take your time or use your hands. I really didn't want to use my hands, but sometimes you just have to use your hands to get the chicken to lay flat in there. Because again, you do not want the chicken to overlap. You don't want to stack the chicken on top of each other so that it can cook evenly. Next, we're going to go ahead and set our air fryer. Typically what I do, we're going to cook one side for about 13 minutes, and we're going to cook it on 380. Okay? Depending on how your air fryer works, with this one, all I have to do is set it and walk away, and when the 13 minutes are up, it's going to beep and let me know that it's time to come back and fry the other side. Alright, so this is how your wings should look during this process of trying to flip them over. It should look something like this. It'll be really kind of crispy on that one side, so you're going to take your time, flip your wings over, every last one of them, so that the other side can cook evenly as well. Okay, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to set it for 13 minutes. Okay, on 380, we're going to put the lid on, allow this to cook. And of course, it's going to beep when it's done. Real simple, y'all. Not a lot of stress to making air fried chicken wings. And of course, it's going to be healthier. This is what your wings will look like after those 13 minutes are up. They're definitely going to be a bit crispy. You really can't beat it. You can't beat this. They could definitely be a little bit crispy. I'll come back and do another segment if you like breaded wings. So I'll show you how to do breaded wings in the air fryer. But as far as a seasoned naked wing in the air fryer, this is it. Really simple. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of little crispy spots. I felt like these were done for me. They are completely done in the inside. But if you like yours really crispy, dark and Cajun, you can definitely put them back in the air fryer for several more minutes. They can get that hard crunch. I don't really like that hard crunch on my chicken wings. I like, you know, a light crunch, crispy on the outside. But if you like that hard crunch, you can definitely leave them in the air fryer for maybe 3 to 4 more additional minutes, and then you can go back and check them. And basically, guys, this is what the end result was. Lightly, you know, air fried, crispy chicken wings. Really seasoned, really easy to do, and you can make your size while you do this. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys next time.